When a lot of people think of science, thoughts of laboratories, beakers, and safety glasses might come to mind. But give the kitchen in your house a second look the next time you're hunting for snacks. It may not look like a science lab, but the cooking and baking that goes on in it actually has a lot of science going on. Many factors, from precise measurements to creative thinking, play major roles in both science and baking. It's a learning process where every ingredient and each step serves a purpose. If you miss one small thing, you can have a completely different outcome. Creative thinking has its value when solving a problem, just like how adding an extra ingredient can enhance a recipe. Having an organized and patient approach to the art and science of making baked goods is the key to success. Temperature is another important link between science and baking. Measuring the temperature of substances during an experiment is important, and the same goes for baking. Think about it. If you're making cookies, the best results come from chilling the dough before cutting out shapes. If the dough is too warm, it will stick to the cookie cutters and be mushy. Too cold, and it'll be rock solid and you won't be able to separate it. With a pinch of intuition, a dash of creativity, and the right ingredients, science and baking is a combination that can yield delicious results.
Inside Science. If you enjoyed this edition, follow us on the web and social media. Powered by the American Institute of Physics and a coalition of underwriters.